Jamal al-Din al-Afghani, the visionary who challenged colonialism. Jamal al-Din al-Afghani, born in 1838, was a visionary figure who sought to inspire Muslims to resist colonialism and reclaim their independence. His philosophy blended Islamic revivalism with a call for social and political reform, and he became a leading proponent of Pan-Islamism, the idea that Muslims around the world should unite against foreign domination. Al-Afghani's travels across the Muslim world, from India to Egypt, gave him the opportunity to spread his revolutionary ideas, advocating for modernization and scientific progress within an Islamic framework. His efforts to promote critical thinking and his call for unity against Western imperialism left a lasting impact on future generations of Muslim intellectuals and political leaders. Al-Afghani passed away in 1897 in Istanbul, Turkey, but his vision of unity and resistance continues to inspire those who fight against colonialism and oppression. His legacy remains an important chapter in the history of the Muslim world.